Struggling to keep your stock organized? Discover the best inventory management solutions that can streamline your operations, boost efficiency, and save you money. From cutting-edge software to essential strategies, find out what works best for your business and take control of your inventory today. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you which platform is the best inventory management software. So to get started, all you have to do is just open your browser and you select the one you want. If it's Zoho.com, or we have here Square.com, Odoo.com, and we have here Sortly.com. Then we have Bitrix24.com. The first one we have here, which is Zoho. So Zoho offers a comprehensive sort of over 45 integrated applications, making it one-stop solution for various business needs. Its user-friendly interface and customizable features ensure quick adoption and tailored functionality. With competitive pricing and cloud-based access, it's accessible for businesses of all sizes. Plus, robust customer support helps users maximize their experience effortlessly. So this is for Zoho. You can just get started right now and you click over sign up. You can use also other option, which is this one, and you have to write your email address and your password. Then you find your account, and here we have, if you want to create your account, you have just to click over it and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started. So this is it for Zoho. Then we have here Square. So we have here Square.com. So Square offers a user-friendly platform for easy payment processing and business management. Its comprehensive tools cover everything from invoicing to inventory management, all accessible via mobile with transparent pricing and no hidden fees. Businesses can easily manage costs, plus robust analytics provide valuable insights to drive growth and improve decision making. So here we have, if you want to get started, you click over get started here and you will find this page as you can see. So let's create your account. Signing up for Square is fast and free, no commitments or long-term contracts required. So you have just to write your email address, your password, your local, then you click over I agree to the Square's terms and you click over continue. So this is it for Square. And right now let's move on to the Odoo. So Odoo provides an all-in-one solution with a comprehensive sort of applications for CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. Its customizable modules allow businesses to tailor the platform to their specific needs. With a user-friendly interface, Odoo ensures quick onboarding and easy navigation. Plus, its scalable design makes it suitable for businesses of all sizes, enhancing productivity as you grow. So to get started with Odoo, you can just come back to the top here and you click over try it for free. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. So you have to choose your apps, free instant access, no credit card required. So you choose if it's dependent to website, such as website here, eCommerce, e-learning, live chat. Then we have here sales, like CRM, sales, invoicing, design, point of sale, restaurant, subscriptions, rental, file service. Then we have here operations such as accounting, knowledge, product, timesheets, help desk, inventory, purchase documents. Then we have here manufacturing, like manufacturing here, problem, maintenance, quality, repair. Then we have marketing, email marketing, survey, SMS marketing, social marketing, marketing automation, appointment, events. We have human resources, like employees, attendance, recruitment, employee referral. Then we have time off, expenses, planning, appraisals, fleets, approvals, lunch. Then we have customization such as studio as well. Once you choose the one you want and you click over continue, you will find other page, which is this one. You write your first and last name, then your email address, your website name, and your phone number, your country, your language. By clicking on start now, you accept our subscription agreement and privacy policy, and you click over start now. So this is for Odoo. This is for Odoo.com. Then we have Sortly as well. So about Sortly, features a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management with visual catalogs and customizable labels. Its mobile app allows for code tracking, making it convenient for businesses with flexible organization options. Users can tailor the system to meet their specific inventory needs. So to get started, you have just to click over Start a free trial. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is this one. So you have just to write your email, your full name, your email address, and your password, or you can use the second option, which is Google. So if you come back to the top, you will find you will lose track of an item. Again, simple, fast, and powerful inventory software for businesses and teams to stay organized. Then you click over create account and you get started with Sortly. Then we have here Bitrix 24. And so Bitrix 24 provides a comprehensive set of tools combining CRM, project management, and communication features in one platform. Its user-friendly interface enhances team collaboration and productivity, making workflow smoother with a flexible pricing model including a free version. It caters to business of all sizes. So to get started, you click over Start for free and you will find this page. You have just to enter your email address and you get started with Bitrix 24. So in the left, we have here Company United, free, unlimited online, register today and get free forever plan and limited users. So you can also choose your language. For example, we have English here, Dutch, Spanish, so you choose the one you want. So this is how you can sign up for Bitrix. So here we have here Bitrix, it's absolutely for free, as you can see. 5 GB unlimited users, and we have registered for free right now. Then we have here Sortly, the pricing here. So as you can see, we have here for free best for getting started. So this is for this one, and we have here Udo as well. So this one is absolutely for free for one app only, unlimited users Udo online. Then we have this one. So it's absolutely for free, selling person online over the phone or out in the field. No setup fees or monthly fees. Only pay when you take a payment. So this is for this one. So if I had to pick one, Zoho would be the best overall choice for its comprehensive set of integrated applications that cater to various business needs, including CRM, project management, and finance. It's versatile, customizable, and suitable for businesses of all sizes. So you can just get started with this one. It's very helpful and useful to use. Zoho.com, and in my point of view, it's Zoho is the best one. So you can also use the one you think is better. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. Have a fantastic day ahead.